continue with my spider theme this year, I wanted to make some spider egg sacs that were moving. So in this build, I'll show you what I did to make it, and hopefully you could take this and maybe make it better. Maybe it'll spur something in you to improve on it. And I definitely need to make the sac a little more realistic, but this is just a prototype of how I'm making it move. Now I bought this 100 plastic ball bag from Target, and it comes with its own bag. A white trash bag, which we're going to use for the outer egg sac, and put the balls into this white sac. And then you're going to use a synchronous motor, and I'm going to have the build of this in the description, but I'm using a 5-6 RPM motor for this build. And you screw the screws on the side, and that will hit the balls as they move around. And you can add more screws if you want, but I'm just using these two. So as it turns, it'll move the balls. And what you want to do is you're going to want to put this motor, what I attached to a wood, into the bag, the balls that came with. Now, I am going to be putting some pads on the side of the wood corners to kind of pat it a little bit so it's not so sharp around the edges. So fill up the bag with the plastic balls all the way, and once you do that, the motor is completely inside of the balls, and I'm only using 80 out of the 100 balls, and you might want to take some out, kind of adjust so you get the movement that you want with the motor with all the balls that you have in there. So now you have all the balls in there, and you could see when you turn on the motor, it's going to move the balls around. And this is how you could adjust it to see if you want to add or take away the balls or add more screws to get more of a movement. And then once you get the right amount of movement that you want, you're going to want to put this sac inside of a trash bag. I use 2 white trash bags because I got the color balls here. And then once you do that, put some spider web around it. I'll say I need to do a better job at it. Add some fake spiders on it. And once you do that, and you get some lighting, and you can see it from a distance, it'll look like an egg sac that's hanging, and it'll be little small movements. You could hear it. I mean, if someone comes up close, they could definitely see that's moving. So I hope this build helps or sparks something in you to create something like it. Use what I kind of started to make it better, and if you have a better build for it, please put it in the comments. I'd like to see it, how this could be improved on it. So thank you for watching, and yeah, create those things.